look what I got. So, last semester I did really good, and I think my GPA was like a 3.98, and I got into Phi Theta Kappa, which is an honors-only society, and I don't know much about this stuff, but I got accepted, and they sent me this welcome thing. So me and Phoenix have been wondering all day today what's in it. So let's take a look. Ooh. So the first thing is this, that I got into the Honor Society. I have a member number, and this is an official certificate with the gold. I need to frame this one. And then I also got this. Welcome to Phi Kappa Theta. No matter where you are in your education journey or where you're going, Phi Kappa Theta has something to help you with every step of the way. Scholarships for certificates and degree seekers, resources to build careers and college-ready resumes, opportunities to network, engage, and volunteer. Cute. And then I also got this. Although I already had my graduation, so this is just cute from like just to have. And then I also got this, which is super cute. This is a pin. It's really cute. And that's my welcome packet. So I'm now an Honors Society student, and I'm excited to be a part of this exclusive club, and I'm looking forward to meeting everybody and doing different events, and hopefully utilizing my new resources to my advantage. Alright everybody, have a good night. See ya.